So start now?
Yep, go for it.
Okay. Hi, this is Emeral, the chairman for EuroCham's Garment Manufacturing Committee, also the country manager for the life and building safety here in Cambodia. As everyone known, it was announced right before August 1st by the White House press and the Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick, that Cambodia was able to secure a 19% tariff. Prior to the announcement, we expected buyers to potentially exit. That was the worst case scenario where they said they wouldn't be able to handle that. 19% is probably the best we could ask for, right? You look at Vietnam, they're at 20%, Indonesia is 19%, India, 25%. So a lot of within the region of Southeast Asia and South Asia, we align with all of our other competitors. Yeah, I expect them to continue to source from Cambodia. I don't see them sourcing or switching sourcing. The business landscape will probably maintain. If anything, maybe it drops a little bit depending on the US consumer demands, especially them being the one that's going to be paying this 19%. So they're not leaving. But again, as mentioned before, the Cambodian government really needs to continue to diversify where their trading partner. It's hard to say, it depends on the priorities. Over the past couple of years with the EU due diligence directive, or also known as the corporate sustainability due diligence directive, they've been pushing a lot more on terms of sustainability and responsible sourcing. With us at EuroCham, we're here to support all of the brands and the manufacturer to get more compliant and be more competitive in their industry, so we can help better prepare them. But again, it depends. It's very hard to say right now, but Cambodia will continue to be one of the key sourcing for pretty much any buyers from the US, from the EU, from Asia, because we're constantly developing the workforce here, and of course eventually going from GFT to possibly automations and other sector, manufacturing, electronics, computers, bicycle. We have the technical labor force for it. We just need to build upon it.